Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the internet speed indicator on the status bar in this device. So in this device I already enabled the internet speed indicator on the status bar. You can see on the status bar the network speed indicator. So let me show you how to enable this one. Simply go to settings, then scroll down, tap on notification and status bar. Then tap on the status bar. So here you can see the option real-time network speed. To enable the network speed indicator on the status bar, we need to turn on this one. If you turn off this one, now you can see that is disabled. Turn on this one, now you can see that network speed indicator on the status bar. So simply in this way you can enable the network speed indicator on the status bar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.